In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip or invert a video in CapCut quickly and easily, whether you want to mirror the clip sideways or turn it completely upside down. This is a super useful trick for fixing orientation, creating a style effect, or making your edit look more polished without needing advanced editing skills. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut guides just like this one. Now let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your video clip is already on the timeline. To begin, click directly on the clip you want to edit so it becomes selected. You should see that the clip is highlighted, which tells you CapCut is ready to apply changes to that specific video. Once the clip is selected, look at the small toolbar menu directly above the timeline area. This toolbar is where CapCut keeps many of the quick editing tools, and it's the first place you want to check for the flip option. If you want to flip the video horizontally, look for the mirror icon. This is usually shown as two opposing triangles, and it's the shortcut for reversing the image from left to right. When you click it, your video will instantly flip sideways, which is perfect if you want a mirror effect or need to correct a clip that's facing the wrong direction. Now, if you want to flip the video vertically, the process is slightly different. Go to the top right settings panel, then click Video, and after that choose Basic. In that section, find the Rotate box. To invert the video fully, type 180 into the Rotate box, or if CapCut gives you a Rotate button, keep clicking it until it reaches 180 degrees. This will turn your clip upside down and give you a complete vertical inversion effect. After applying either flip option, take a moment to play the clip back and make sure it looks exactly how you want it to. If something feels off, just click the clip again and adjust the setting until the orientation is perfect. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can flip or invert a video in CapCut using the mirror tool for horizontal flips or the rotate setting for vertical flips. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.